Good morning and welcome to Muscle Car Garage. Yesterday we spoke about the transmission and the input shaft with the bearing. Now you can see that Darren and Dominic, they mated the transmission to the engine. When you buy these cars, you don't know what somebody else has done. As far as Darren was telling me that the rods for the transmission shifter was completely backwards. This was twisted the opposite way, and they had to take it apart and put it back together the proper way. These are the things that you get when you're buying these old cars and you don't have it appraised and don't have it road tested. So today we have this together. So Darren and Dominic are going to be dropping the car into the engine bay. If you take a look at the engine bay, not only do we fix the engine, but we also detail the bottom of the chassis and where the radiator support goes. We clean it all up. We cleaned all of the inner fenders. So after we're done, I'm going to do another video after this engine is inside the engine bay. You have a nice day, and if you need any work done by Muscle Car Garage, call us at 973-758-8944. You have a good day. Now Darren has got the engine lined up with the engine bay. He's going to be angling the transmission and the engine going towards the tunnel for the transmission. So Dominic is putting a blanket there so we don't scratch anything. And there you go. This is how the engine goes in.
Hold the motor like this.